But it wasn't a pigeon.
No, it's the same. That's what
Something made a noise then. We've never heard before. There.
That's it.
I hope you can hear that. It's coming from over there. There, again.
What the heck? I tell you, if you heard that at night, you would be standing still.
No. I hope that's caught on camera. You just look out here, it looks like a scene out of Predator. Looking at trees. Because they come from tops of trees.
Come from top, yeah, it wasn't on the ground. I mean, we've been in loads of woods. Never heard that before. But anybody, please, if you know it's a native bird or something that mimics, let us know, please. I hope it's picked it up, Scotty.
Yeah. Sounded like a pigeon, but it wasn't that one to pigeon.
It wasn't a pigeon. I've been hunting pigeons all my life. No, it's not a pigeon.
That's a pigeon.
That's a pigeon.
I can hear a pigeon.
There's one to the left, one to the right.
Yeah.
We're talking to, but that wasn't a pigeon, that was in the middle.
Yeah. Well, if we find it again,
Let's walk through.
we'll go towards it.